Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from MEXC to your Phantom wallet. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my desktop and the Phantom wallet extension, but you can also follow the same steps in your mobile device and between these two applications. Now, first of all, you need to come on the official website of MEXC and you just have to log in into your account. Over here in the top right hand corner, you will see this type of wallet section. So you need to first of all hover over to wallets and tap on the withdraw option. Once done, you will be landed on this withdrawal page where in the crypto section, you need to select Solana and afterwards it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address, you need to come in your Phantom wallet and over here you need to click on the receive option. Now this will be your Solana based wallet address. So you need to copy it from here and paste it in this section. Next, it will automatically select the network to the Sol network. But if it doesn't, you can use this drop down menu and make sure that the Solana network is selected for this particular transaction. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw from here or that you want to transfer from here. Once done, you can add any purpose of the withdrawal if you want to. Then you need to press the submit option in the bottom. Now, once you press submit, it will ask you for the confirmation and it will ask you for the security checks. So you just have to provide these details and press submit option. Now it will take some time and show you the section that will look something like this, where it will say that the withdrawal request is now submitted, it is now processing, and once it come on the withdrawal completed, it simply means that you have successfully received your Solana from MEXC to your Phantom wallet. So you just have to check your Phantom wallet, and this way you will be able to send Solana from MEXC to the Phantom wallet within 3 to 5 minutes. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.